We now talk about power of accommodation of a human eye. On your screen, you'll see a lot of parameters out here, a lot of things, labels and watch window. So to understand better, we're going to open our controls. The labels of the eye are put up here. I'm going to zoom in to see a better view of the eye and see all the rays that are there. The rays are coming in from the monkey mascot and falling on the lens and being focused on the retina. Now let's hide the labels to see a better this way. You'll also observe here that this simulation has another slider kept below here. So you get much more control on how you more control on the on your simulation. Here the object distance is currently set at something. It's more than 25 centimeters. So you'll get to see that the image is formed clearly. Image is still formed on the retina perfectly clear. And you can take it up to infinity as well and you'll see that the image is still clear. But once we move it beyond 25 centimeters, we know we're not supposed to do that, right? One of the reasons is because the image starts to get blurred out. You'll notice that happening in the watch window. Take a look at it. Up to 15 centimeters is still alright, but beyond 15 centimeters, the image starts to get blurred out. And it's not very clear. It causes a lot of strain on your eye because the lens cannot focus it on the retina. And that's why the power of accommodation and the best range of vision is 25 centimeters to infinity. You could control the pupil's opening from one of these sliders. So let's say the pupil is small. That means there's enough light already available outside. And the pupil is there. The pupil is very big. That means it's slightly darker and you have the maximum light coming into your eye. The object distance slider can also be controlled from here. And we would recommend that you use this one because it's much bigger. This is slightly smaller, so might not give you really good control. But this is the best way to control it. Feel free to use your pen tool to mark your notes, write down all the labels, and if necessary, put an arrow, explain more, and discuss with all the parameters of an eye. This is the high resolution of an eye. One of the first simulations we're going to be discussing on it, but this will be used again and again in multiple places. Have fun.